How to save and load cookies using Python plus Selenium WebDriver. How can I save all cookies in Python Selenium WebDriver to a .txt file, and then load them later? The documentation doesn't say much of anything about the getCookies function.
You can save the current cookies as a Python object using pickle. For example, and later to add them back.
Remember, you can only add a cookie for the current domain. If you want to add a cookie for your Google account, do.
When you need cookies from session to session, there is another way to do it. Use the Chrome Options user data dir in order to use folders as profiles. I run. Here you can do the logins that check for human interaction. I do this and then the cookies I need now every time I start the WebDriver with that folder, everything is in there. You can also manually install the extensions and have them in every session. The second time I run, all the cookies are there. The advantage is you can use multiple folders with different settings and cookies, extensions without the need to load, unload cookies, reinstall and uninstall extensions, change settings, change logins via code, and thus no way to have the logic of the program break, etc. Also, this is faster than having to do it all by code.
Based on the answer by Eduard Florescu, but with newer code and the missing imports added.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.